Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Latasha Valentine. I've got a few pieces of items here that I bought from SHEIN, and I'm going to be doing a try and haul for you guys. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the first piece, and I'm not gonna lie people, I'm not gonna lie, I really like this one. It's really nice. It comes with a pad sleeve. I don't know the name of these dress, the name of the dress, but what I'll do, I'll put it on screen for you. Now with this guys, you can see it's got a nice detailing in the middle, a nice little round diamond circular detail. It's got the padding in the sleeve, giving nice padding area up here, really lovely. The cutout in the front, which is a nice touch, because if you're someone who like to show a little bit of skin, then this is so for you. It's got a nice little ruche detailing on the side, and this is so sexy guys. Look at this, sexy. Let me see if I can pull it up. Oh, and guys, it's not just about the illusion of the ruching. You can actually pull it up if you want. Look at that. Okay, or you can leave it down. Very sexy. I actually like my first piece. This guys is in a size 8. Yes, the material is nice and soft to touch. It seems like it's like it's a kind of satin feel. It gives you that feel. Let me turn it back. Guys, this is the number. Wow. Very sexy. And I love it. This is so me, guys. This is so me. First of all, it's black. Okay? And I love to wear black. Second of all, it has a nice little shimmy right here. And the material is much thicker than the first one that I tried on. This is in a size 8, guys. It's come with a skinny strap, a nice little V front, and it also comes with a bone structure. Let me come close, you're not going to see my head. But it's got a little bone structure right there. To help ladies like me who don't have a lot of chest up here, you just get that little, you know, that little nice little illusion of a nice cleavage, I guess. But yeah, guys, this is nice. The strap is very skinny. It does have a little bit of coming apart on the strap, a little bit of rub. Overall, it's okay. The actual connection of these little shiny things, they're actually connected very well. So it doesn't seem like it's gonna fall off when you're walking. You know, you're out and about, out with your girls or out with your guy, you know, and you're enjoying and you're having a good time, and you know something is gonna fall off. No, it looks very sturdy. So yeah, oh, I'm really loving this. This is so me. Look at it. Let me just stick to a full note. Look, how gorgeous is this? So gorgeous. Okay guys, so this is the next piece. It's another black set. It's 2-piece. Now this trousers is supposed to be obviously the top. Minus this strap, it doesn't come. That's my bra strap, so it doesn't come. It's meant to be like, you know, like that. I'm gonna leave it as it is. I'm just gonna show you the top like that. I didn't even know how to put the top, whether this is supposed to be the back or the front, but I think the front has got a little bit of a gathering, so you can tell where the front goes. But yeah, that's the top itself. It feels comfortable on me. It's nice and soft. It is not scratching me or itching me in any way, shape or form. It feels really nice. The material itself, let me come closer so you can see. So the material itself is quite thick, so it's not see-through at all. Now the trousers set is it's like a leggings kind of set, but more thicker and more rigid, if you know what I mean. And as I said, it's not see-through as well, which is nice. It's the bottom of it is actually a bell foot. I'm gonna try and see if I can find a model who was modeling it, and you can see what it looks like. I thought that it was going to be a little bit longer, because as I said guys, I am a little bit tall. I've got some height to me, which is, you know, which is not a bad thing. Okay, so that's what the bottom looks like. Obviously, if I'm not wearing any heels, you can see that it's okay. So if I wear my flats, it will be absolutely fine. However, once I put some heels on, it's going to be like that. So I don't want it to be bell foot and then ankle swingers. It doesn't work. It's not going to look decent. But knowing me, I'm definitely going to make it work. Okay, so it's not a bad 2-piece. Okay guys, so this is another black piece again. I can't stress it anymore. Like, if you don't know my favorite color by now, then you will never know. But yeah, this is very simple. But it's simple, but it's got style. Material good, it's nice and soft. Remember me tell us, say soft pan your skin, comfy pan your skin, lovely pan your skin. It's not see-through at all. I can't see any under of my undergarment at all. It's really nice. Obviously you can see that it's kind of like a what do you call these kind of dresses now? That's not normal, one of those normal simple. There's a name for it, but I can't remember. But it's a nice simple black dress, but it does have style. So as you can see, the midsection is cut out all the way round to the back. It's got a nice slit on this side, which guys, you know I love my little slit. Whether it's 1 slit or whether it's 2 slits, I love it. It will also have this little string at the front that's attached. So if I'm not mistaken, guys, I think the string goes, it ties all the way around as well, just to give you that nice more sexiness to this little black dress. You can dress it up and you can dress it down. This is really nice. This is in a size 8. All these pieces that I'm showing you guys are very, very affordable. Yeah, I actually love this as well. This is really nice. I'm not someone who's into trainers a lot, but you can wear this with trainers. You can wear it with some boots. You can wear it with some high boots or even some short boots. You can wear it with normal sandal heels, flats, and it will go. It is really, really sexy. Really, really nice. I love it. I love to be sexy. I love to be comfortable at the same time. And I love to look nice. And this is nice. I like it. So that's the back, guys. Well, now, let me step back a little bit so you can see the split, which is nice. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Yeah. Very nice. Right, guys, this is the next piece. Now, of course, it's not in black. And this is actually, guys, a 2-piece, as you can see. Now, with this one, guys, it's in a size 8. I would say that obviously you need to wear your curved undergarment for this one, because obviously if not, then it will see through. And I think that's most things, mostly with white items, white outfits, you would have to do that anyway. At the moment I'm wearing black on the undergarment. You can't really see anything. But yeah, I wouldn't say this is my favorite. I thought I would have liked it a lot, but it's okay. It's okay. I mean, I prefer the top more than the actual bottom. The top, it fits all right. I was thinking the strap was actually one shoulder, but it actually isn't. It's actually kind of across the neck, and then that's around the back there, how it fits. Now with the skirt, guys, the material, it feels nice as well. Let me come close so you can see that kind of material. Can you see it? Very nice. And excuse the strap for my bra as well. Obviously you wouldn't wear a bra with a strap with this one, with this outfit, but you can see the material and the detailing on it is quite nice. So I do like that. Now with the skirt, guys, it's okay. The only thing that I don't like about it is how it cuts from the side, like the whole thigh is out. Like, I would prefer if it's just have like a nice slit, or even cut a little bit more narrower. You understand? But it's not a bad fit. What do you think? If you think I'm being dramatic, by all means you can let me know in the comments. But out of all of them, this is my worst one. I love all of them, even the 2-piece, the trouser 2-piece as well. But yeah, guys, it's okay. It's okay. As I said, affordable. If this is your style and you don't mind showing extra skin, then you know this is for you. But for me, I like to show a little bit of skin, keep it classy and keep it sexy. That's me. Okay, guys, so we have literally come to the end of this video, showing you the final piece, which is another 2-piece, another white 2-piece. Now this one is, the material is very soft. It feels thick, but it is see-through, guys. It's see-through, and as I said, with white outfits, it doesn't matter if it's trousers or it just depends on what material they use. But with this one, you definitely need to wear something appropriate underneath, because you're gonna see everything. Nevertheless, this is a size 8, guys. It's a size small, and compared to the first one, the first white set that I had on before, this is so much more better. The top fit like a glove. Like, it feels so good. And obviously, look, I mean, you got a little bit of stretch to it, of course, but it fits really, really good. The skirt itself, as I said, your good undergarment, and you should be all right. Now the length is quite long. You can see the split as what I was talking about. It's not as bad. It's not showing everything like the other one. This I can deal with. This is my type of style. You show a little bit of something and you're good to go. You're not showing the whole of your derriere. You know what I mean? Like, this is good. Let me step back so you can see the whole thing, the whole fit. So that's the length, guys. You see? Nice little leg there. Nice little sexiness. Not everything. Feels good. Feels nice and soft. It feels literally nice and soft. You've got the 2-piece, your little midsection showing. It's long sleeve. It's got a nice little cutout up here just to give you a nice little sexiness, because as I said, guys, I love to be sexy. It's affordable. It feels soft on the skin. It's not scratching or anything. This is nice. I like this. And once you have the nice body, you know, you put it in at it and you're good. You're good to go. You smell good. Yeah, this is nice. This is lovely. So guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Comment in below in the box which it was your favorite. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next video, God willing. Mwah!